Unwrapping the phrase, it's a no-cook day. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a fun and increasingly popular phrase, it's a no-cook day. Whether you're an English language learner or just love discovering new expressions, this video is for you. We'll break down the meaning, usage, and context of this phrase to help you understand it fully and use it confidently in your daily conversations. So, let's get started. It's a no-cook day is an informal phrase that people use to indicate they do not plan to cook any meals at home for that day. This could be for a variety of reasons, such as being too busy, not feeling like cooking, or simply wanting to take a break from the kitchen. On a no-cook day, individuals might opt for alternatives like eating out, ordering takeout, or having pre-prepared meals. It's a way to enjoy a little break from the routine of cooking. You can use, it's a no-cook day, in casual conversations, especially when discussing plans for meals with family or friends. It's a light-hearted way to express your decision to skip cooking without going into much detail. For example, if someone asks about dinner plans, you can respond with, it's a no-cook day for us. We're thinking of ordering pizza. It sets a relaxed and informal tone for the conversation. The phrase reflects a broader cultural trend towards convenience and flexibility in meal preparation. With the rise of food delivery services and pre-prepared meals, declaring a no-cook day has become more common and socially accepted. It's a part of modern lifestyle vernacular, especially in urban areas where busy schedules and diverse food options are prevalent. Understanding such phrases helps in grasping the cultural nuances of the English language. For English language learners, incorporating phrases like, it's a no-cook day, into your vocabulary can make your language use more natural and relatable. It shows an understanding of informal English and can help in connecting with native speakers on everyday topics. Practice using the phrase in different scenarios, and don't be afraid to adapt it to suit your context. Remember, language learning is not just about grammar and vocabulary but also about understanding and embracing cultural nuances. We hope this video has shed light on the fun and informal phrase, it's a no-cook day. It's a great example of how language evolves with lifestyle and culture, offering a window into the way we live and communicate. Whether you're taking a break from the kitchen or just love exploring language, phrases like this enrich your English vocabulary and conversational skills. Thanks for watching, and remember, every day is a good day to learn something new. See you in our next video.